Do you want to remove background of your image but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I believe you are doing very well. In this video I will tell you how you can remove background of image free of cost with few simple steps. So let's start the video. So this is the image. We will remove background of this image. First of all, open your browser and then search remove background free HD. Then you will see this kind of website. Open the first website. Then you will see this kind of page. You have to import your image into this website. So I am importing the image. Here we go. And the uploading process will start. It will take few seconds. After waiting, website will automatically remove the background. Here we go. And that quality will be HD. So now what we will do is download the image. Here we go. Image has been downloaded and there we go. The background has been removed. So friends, this is how you can remove background of your image with few simple steps free of cost. I hope you learned something new from my video. If you liked the video, smash the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Take care. Bye bye.